We received lots of inquiries about Weimar conveyors, so we're back to get more inside info from people who actually build them. Let's see what our engineers are up to today. Hi Jared, I've got some questions that people ask about Weimar conveyors. Got a few minutes?
Yeah, no, I've got a few minutes. Let's get into it, eh? Fire
Awesome.
away. Right, what do we got? Okay, so what type of conveyors do we manufacture here at Weimar, and what is our most popular model? Well, here at Weimar we manufacture many different types of conveyors, from lightweight conveyors with a PVC belt through to heavy duty conveyors with a web belt or an indestructible rubber belt, if you'd like to call it. But by far our flagship, which is the most popular, is this baby right here. This is the Octal. And so the Octal boasts a robust design, which is a bit of a theme in these videos that we're coming to see. Virtually limitless in terms of its configuration, which is largely thanks to its modular design and a huge back catalogue of accessories that we can simply bolt onto it. So what makes the Octal series stand out from the other types of conveyors that are in the marketplace? So I touched a little bit on this in the earlier question, but the modular design of these Octal conveyors here really is the crown jewel of the Octal conveyor. So endless configurations, like I said. So standard straight, which is what this is here. We've also got back-to-back, so that's used to split produce flow into two different streams. It can also be configured to operate as an elevator. So that can either be a straight elevator, a gooseneck, an inverted gooseneck, a double gooseneck. The list goes on and on and on. We have 5 different widths available, starting at 300 millimeters all the way up to 1200 millimeters. And so we really can sort of cater to any of your layout requirements, space constraints, and throughput needs. The Octal series is capable of well over 60 tons an hour, which is massive amounts of produce. So, like I said a little bit earlier, the Octal has a back catalogue of bolt-on accessories. So we're talking vast amount of chutes, hoppers, lanes, sweeps. We can divert produce in different directions. We also obviously use our food grade signature blue belt for any of our food grade applications. And in our dirty environments, we simply just use a PVG black belt along with skirtings and scrapers, both internal and external, to keep all the dirt and the dust out of the important rotating assembly with inside the conveyor. Can you describe some of the key design features and technical advantages that Weimar's Octal conveyors gives? Yeah, so I certainly can. There is a bit of a theme developing here in these videos, and robust construction is a key staple here at Weimar with all of our products, and the Octal conveyor has that in spades. Thanks largely to its side profile and shape here. As you can see, it's a bit of a Z configuration. We also employ a cross brace design that is aimed for high torsional rigidity, which gives a flow-on effect when it comes to supporting these machines. Less supports are required to hold the thing up. And one key advantage that I can point out is that we can hang these from the roof of your building with no dramas. So when it comes to complex layouts and installations and stuff like that, we can cater to all your needs. We also employ a double strategy when it comes to belt tracking. So every belt has got a center tracking strip, as well as each of the polyurethane drums, front and rear. They are also crowned to ensure that the belt doesn't really have much of a chance of walking out of alignment. And this also gives us the ability to side load these conveyors at any point along the length of it without fear of the belt walking out of line. And along with all of that, we have 2 different bed options. Obviously, what we've seen in this video here is largely our slat beds, and we also do a roller bed, which is more designed for heavier produce, longer conveyors, stuff like that, due to its reduced friction. So if we just quickly summarise the Octal conveyors here, there's a bit of a theme, like I've said all the way through this video, that Weimar is quality, durability, and reliability. And the Octal will cater to all your needs and see you very well into the future.